Hi, I'm Chia from Powertune. Welcome to Tech Talk. Today we'll be fitting some Brian Craller Stage 2 cams to the Red Dragon, and then we'll be throwing it up on the dyno to see what it makes. Let's go. Alright, BC cams now installed, time for the dyno. Alright, just finished tuning the car, very happy with the results. 24 kilowatt gain over the standard cams on the same boost level. Car's now making power to 7200 RPM compared to 6500 RPM. But let's see what all that extra power and revs does to our drag times.